Well, I think it's a high number because if you look at the movies that have been made about it, you know, it's this big disaster. And of course it could happen, and we know that about 30 million years ago, a very large asteroid came and impacted the Yucatan Peninsula and probably wiped out the dinosaurs. And so that kind of thing can happen and does happen periodically some places in the universe. However, I think the chances of it happening are pretty small. It surprised me a little bit because I think when we actually do those things, then people get excited. You know, and in the abstract you say, well, why are we spending all this money to go do that? But the average person, I think, in the US doesn't realize just how small NASA's budget is. But, you know, I think once we actually do those things, then people get excited. It was kind of like the moon landing. Once we actually made it to the moon, I think people were very excited about it. I guess maybe because the younger people are even more technically savvy, right? They're more technically savvy than the older folks, and so they understand these things and they're excited about seeing how far technology can take us. So maybe that's why they're more excited about a potential Mars mission.
0. Liftoff of the Falcon 9.
Oh boy, yeah, I don't understand that because I wouldn't. I want to come back to the Earth. I'd love to go explore Mars, but I want to come back. I want to live here. One of the big things I missed during my 6.5 months on the space station, besides family and friends, of course, is just missing being on the Earth, being in nature, smelling the grass, hearing the wind blow, trees rustle, and watching, squirrels and birds run around.